In this video, I am going to show you my invoices. Process is same after writing and submitting your article. Once your article is published, you will have to send your invoice to receive payments. I have created a sample template to generate my invoices. Here you can see my first invoice for SidePoint. First article, install Ghost window, Foundation 5, $120, faster workflow with Emmet part 1, $200, and subtotal is $520. So let me show you my articles at sidepoint.com. How to install Ghost on Windows, Foundation 5, and faster workflow, mastering Emmet part 1. For these 3 articles, I received $520. Invoice 2. Total amount is $800, and you can see links for my articles and all my articles. My articles at developerdrive.com. Developer Drive invoice 1. Getting started with Toast, and amount is $100. Let me show you my article. My first article, getting started with Toast, a lightweight responsive CSS grid. So I received $100 for this article. I have also written for plzz blog. First invoice, how to create a child theme. I received $88 for this article. Invoice 2, I received $120. How to create accessible WordPress websites. You can see my second article, how to create accessible WordPress websites. Another article, 9 easy steps for coding a custom WordPress landing page. To receive your online payments, you will have to create and submit an invoice. Creating an invoice is very simple and easy. In my another video, I will show you how you can create invoices to receive your payment. I personally use this template. I have created this template with Bootstrap, so I can easily generate my invoices without using any online service.